Trying to find something that fits for that special occasion, but nothing fits? The zipper won't zip. The buttons won't button. The clasp won't clasp. You need to shed those extra inches and fast. Wouldn't you like to go from this to this?
Well, now there is a revolutionary way to blast away belly bulge and slim and tone those trouble areas in just 30 minutes.
Hi, I'm Lindsay Douglas, and this is Slim Ice, the coolest trend in non-surgical body slimming and weight loss.
The Slim Ice system uses clinical testing to help prove that Slim Ice will melt away inches and shed unwanted body fat in as little as 30 minutes.
I lost 2 sizes in 30 minutes.
I dropped 2 sizes. I went from a size 6 to a size 2 instantly.
I saved a lot of money not having to buy new clothes.
Apply the cold gel on the treatment area and gently massage it into the skin. You'll notice an intense feeling of coolness that will indicate that the product is acting. We can actually show the change in skin temperature. After a few minutes, when the cooling sensation is gone, apply the firming lotion spray over the same area. Spray on 2 to 3 times and gently spread the lotion. Your skin will feel incredibly smooth and moisturized.
Steve, what do you love best about Slim Ice?
Well, what's really cool about it is it works the very first time you use it. I mean, like 30 minutes ago, I couldn't even get into these pants. I mean, now look.
You look terrific.
It's amazing.
You know, it's great. I had a business meeting and I put on my favorite dress, could not zip it up. And I panicked, put on Slim Ice. 30 minutes later, I was in the dress.
That's incredible. What about you, Evie?
I love Slim Ice because it's so fast and easy to use. By the time I finished putting on my makeup, I could put on this dress that I haven't worn in ages.
Well, you look amazing.
This no fuss, no mess system starts to work from the first time you use it and helps you drop sizes fast and all in the comfort of your own home. Use it on any area of the body: arms, stomach, derriere, thighs and hips, even your back. Slim Ice is a 2-part formula that uses spa ice therapy. This system works by directly penetrating the skin, affecting excess fat deposits. The cool gel lowers the skin's temperature very rapidly, making the body burn calories by increasing blood circulation. This naturally loosens and eliminates fat cells, discards toxins, and tones loose skin. Your skin will immediately feel firmer and smoother. Inches seem to melt away in as little as 30 minutes and just after the first application.
Iris, what's your Slim Ice story?
I never have to buy new clothes. I always fit into everything. I love it.
Well, you look amazing.
Thank you.
Vicki, what about you?
Well, with Slim Ice, I'm always covered. If I gain a little weight over the holidays, I can still fit into my party dress.
You guys look great. Now you can forget about strict diets, pills, and exercise. With Slim Ice, you get the figure you've always wanted, and in just minutes. See immediate results after the first application. Sam, you look great.
Well, thank you. I just had a baby and I was having such a hard time losing the weight. On my first day back to work, I couldn't afford to buy new clothes, so I used Slim Ice, and the results were amazing. I looked even better than I did before I had the baby.
With Slim Ice, I get in my slim clothes.
I love Slim Ice. I tried it because it's backed by science, and I use it because it works.
This no fuss, no mess system starts to work from the first time you use it and helps you drop sizes fast, look trim, toned, and feel great instantly, and with no healing time and not a single stitch. Slim Ice will help reshape and tighten the skin and leave you with a hard, flat, and smooth stomach. Lose inches off your back and slim and tone your arms, hips, and thighs. And you will see results from the very first time you use it.
Slim Ice is amazing. It works instantly. I lost 2 dress sizes in 30 minutes.
Surgery could cost you thousands and take weeks to heal. And going to a spa could cost you a fortune. But not Slim Ice. Call now to see how to get the complete Slim Ice system. Included in your 30-day supply is the cool body sculpting gel that will tone your figure and reduce your size. Just massage into your skin and you'll feel a pleasant, cool sensation so you know it's working. Then apply the figure firming lotion to set and let dry. That's it. In just 30 minutes and from the very first application, you will see amazing results. And we're so confident that Slim Ice will work for you. We'll even provide a tape measure for free so you can watch the inches disappear. Don't miss out on this incredible offer.
Don't you want to experience what Slim Ice can do for you? Well, all you have to do is call the number on your screen and order Slim Ice today. Call now.